So today I'll be showing you how I do my no foundation, no concealer look. As in no foundation, there is no foundation on my face, there is no concealer on my face. I know, I like easy things. I don't like stress. So if you call me out and say, Debbie, let's hang out, if you say, Debbie, let's go somewhere to just go and do one or two things, this is how I'm coming.
Baby, you should know this. That I ain't going nowhere. I ain't blowing no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should have known it. And I wasn't going.
Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel where I call my personal space Ebony Debbie. Now if you've not subscribed, if you've not taken time to turn on your notification, now will be the perfect time for you to do that. Don't let anybody notice you've not done that. Don't let me notice you've not done that. So please and please do the needful. All right. The very first thing I do is that I prime my face to protect my skin, you understand? And then I go ahead and I brush my brows so they can stay in place and I can see what I'm drawing. I always start with my right brows. Am I the only one who does that? Who is you reverse starting with? After drawing both brows, I go ahead and I clean up with my foundation. This is a trick that I prefer. It's a personal preference. I clean up with my foundation, not a concealer. It works better for me. For others, they prefer concealer, but honestly, this is me. And here's my finished product, both brows. Then I apply my eyeshadow primer on both eyelids. This helps to make the color pop more. I don't know what I'm doing here, probably just excited with the fact that my brows are giving. This is something I do. I use my powder to clean off excess primer, just to it works better for me than eyeshadow. This is just a personal tip and a personal trick. I apply my eyeshadow. I combine three colors here: gold, brown, and black. Gold usually is my go-to color. I'm always leaning towards gold. Jewelry gold, eyeshadow gold. Okay, not for lip gloss though, but then I'm a golden girl. Now this is the part I know you've been waiting for. So I apply the powder to the apple of my cheeks. I do it to the right side and then I do it to the left side, and then I apply the same powder to my chin, and then I apply to the bridge of my nose, and then to my forehead. I'm patting down. I'm not spreading, I'm patting down. I just go over it one more time and keep patting. Everything work at the end, and then I apply to the hollow of my cheek, giving that contour and a lighting effect, you understand too. I'm applying to my cupid bow, and then just going over them over and over again to make sure that you get. And now finally I'm looking like an Ojuju Calabar. And then I draw my eyeliner. I'm going with my eyeliner, but left and right. But just take a look at my brows. It's giving, Abby. Talk true. Then I go over with my contour. I'm using powder contour, by the way. And then over my hairline, and then I line my lips with my lip liner. Just going over it. And here the blending begins. Blend, understand, blend like your life depends on it. Use your powder brush to blend, because this is fire for fire. This is the point you said, no retreat, no surrender. Keep blending, keep blending. See the way I am blending. I'll just blend everything and it comes together. Trust me, everything comes together. I apply my mascara to my lashes. I have really short eyelashes. I don't know why. I've used everything to make it grow. It's not going. It is short and coily, which is very annoying. So I tend to over apply mascara just to make it show. I'm not in the mood for wearing eyelashes. That's why I'm using only eye mascara. So in case you're not seeing my eyelashes, sorry. I apologize ahead of time. It is not my fault. I tried. To be honest, I tried. And then I apply it to the down lash because I like creating this effect of, oh my God, I have long lashes. Unfortunately, I don't have. It's non-existent. I used a nude lip gloss. Yeah. I always lean towards lip gloss. I would always go for lip gloss over lipstick. Don't ask me why. I don't know why. But I'm a lip gloss girl. I'm applying it. I'm still applying it, spreading it round and round and round and round. It goes. This works for me. Some people use foundation and concealer to clean the excess lip gloss, lipstick, or any other lip products that they over apply, but powder works for me. I just close my lips tight, very tight, and dust a little bit of powder over it. It just helps to take away every excess lip products that I've over applied. Then I go over it with light baby pink lip gloss. Yes, I got that right. Light baby pink lip gloss. It came out actually very nice. And then I go in with my lighter, not so much. I like it very mild. Probably one day I will try the dramatic one, but for now I like a more subtle highlighter. And then I apply to the bridge of my nose and my hairline. I just do some final touch up, applying shadows where it needs to be applied, filling in gaps in my brows that I missed. You get. This is it. Finished product. Or finished look. Hope you found my tutorial helpful. This is how I do my no foundation, no concealer look. Alright. Very simple. Can be your everyday look. I think it takes me about 10 to 15 minutes to do this. 15 minutes is even too much, Steph. So thank you for taking time to watch my YouTube video. I appreciate it so much. If you've not subscribed, please before you go off, please subscribe and drop a comment. All right, see you in my next video. Bye.